In this video, I'm gonna try Shopify Dropshipping and see if we can get a profit in just 24 hours. That means in just 24 hours, I need to find a good product, create a full story about that product, and then try to get Instagram accounts to repost my content so I can get sales. Also, if I can't get at least one sale during these 24 hours, I'm gonna be giving one of you guys $100. With all that being said, the main point of this video isn't to show you how good I am at dropshipping. Instead, it's to show you a realistic expectation of what you could get if you try doing this yourself. Now, with all that being said, it's time to get into the video and start the challenge. So I'm gonna set my timer here for 24 hours. There we go. As you can see on my phone, I am setting a timer for 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. So I am cheating by 1 second, but I'm gonna start it right now. It has started. So to find the product, I'm gonna use something called PiPiADS, and I am not sponsored by them in this video or anything. I just heard it was really good for finding good products to post on social media, so I'm just gonna use it. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna choose e-commerce. I think I'm gonna do United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and then I'm to shop now, Shopify, non-branded ads with a landing page. And then I'll just do like, so it has like at least 500 likes. So now I'm gonna just scroll through here for a while and I'll let you guys know when I find a good product. So after scrolling for about an hour, these are the 3 things I think could work the best. So I thought it'd be good to note that Valentine's Day is going to be in 32 days. So I was looking for some Valentine's Day things that could work as well, because sometimes people will buy gifts for their partners during Valentine's Day. So I thought maybe I could like capitalize on that. So the very first thing I found is this big heart LED light right here. And I thought that maybe it could do decent since Valentine's Day is coming up, and that maybe girls would want to buy this for their room, or maybe guys would buy this for their like girlfriend or whatever. So I thought I could maybe try this. And the second thing I found is this heart shirt, where pretty much you can move the little heart things up in order to show someone's face, like right there. So I think because it's Valentine's Day, like I can see like partners doing this for each other, and I think this could also do good. It's just the only issue is I can't find this on AliExpress or anything, so there's probably a good chance I can't do this. And if I wasn't doing this 24-hour challenge, I'd probably dig deeper and try to find how to actually get this product on my store, but that would take too much time and I'd probably need to get a supplier, which I really can't do right now, so yeah. And the third thing I found is this Hello Kitty mirror, which might sound a little bit strange to some people because I know like Hello Kitty is kind of a very specific kind of thing. There's the mirror right there. It's like a makeup mirror or just like a decoration mirror. It has like LED lights, which I think is going to be like a really good like wow factor. And I honestly think the Hello Kitty light has the most potential out of all 3 of those products. And the main reason for this is because I'm going to be advertising my product through an Instagram theme page account, because I wanted to try that, because why not? And I know there's a certain style called Kiwi, I think, or pretty much just like a bunch of kind of like cute cartoon character kind of things. And I think that if I reach out to them and then like post my advertisement on their Instagram accounts, that those people are going to want to buy it more because they're already interested in that kind of stuff. So I kind of made a big mistake. So pretty much when I started going through Kiwi accounts on Instagram, this was all that popped up. Pretty much just like girls in bikinis, and then just other accounts that do their own stores. So there's a good chance they're not going to advertise my store because they're probably making more money from their own store. So I kind of just wasted 2 hours of my time looking into a product that I thought would work that ended up not even being possible for what I'm trying to do right now. So it is like really frustrating to have to deal with this, but you know, I think that I can find one. This can all still work. I just need to kind of grind it out. It is 12:09 right now AM, so I am pretty tired, so I might go to bed, but I feel like I need to find a product first. So once again, I'm gonna keep scrolling and I'll let you guys know if I find anything good. So after scrolling for about 30 minutes, I think I finally found a product that I think could work. So it's this little necklace that has a picture of like a couple or whatever inside of it, and I think it could do really well because it's like Valentine's Day. So I think I should definitely try this, and I found it on CJ Dropshipping right here for $15.71, and then $2 shipping, so I can definitely sell for like 30 bucks and give it a try. But I am gonna call that a night, so I'll see you guys in the morning. So it is now the morning, and I slept in a little bit and I did some work in my stores, so it is 11:56 AM right now. I only have 10 hours 23 minutes left to do this challenge, but I feel like I can definitely finish this entire thing still in 10 hours. That's still enough time to get the store done and everything like that. So as soon as I woke up, I actually Instagram DM'd some accounts that I think would be good for this, since they're kind of about couples and stuff. It's been an hour, we've not gotten a single reply yet, so hopefully we get one soon. But now in the meantime, I'm gonna set up the store and work on the product page. Okay, so I finished my store and here's what it looks like. So just customize photo necklace. We have some images. You can choose what color you want, whether you want a keychain or a necklace. And then here's my little like description. You can like pause and read it if you want. And then I imported some reviews. So we have 65 reviews, and they're pretty good actually. A lot of images. People are really happy about it. It's honestly looking pretty good, and I think there's a good chance I'll get an order. So now it is time to create the advertisement that I hope the pages can post for me. I finished it, and this is what it looks like. There is music, so I'm gonna be quiet, so yeah.
Look inside.
With the necklace?
Yeah, look inside the necklace.
Oh my goodness.
So as you can see, it's like a bunch of different TikTok videos thrown together into one, and then I just say link in bio, and then I do like a little thing saying, my boyfriend got me this necklace for Valentine's Day. I'm so in love. So that's all it is, and I hope this works. There is one big issue right now because none of the accounts I reached out to are responding to me, and it's been 3 hours, and we only have 7 hours and 30 minutes left for this challenge, so I don't know what to do. I might need to start searching for other ways to advertise this through like Instagram or something. So yeah. So I was going through the different accounts, trying to find like good couple Instagram theme page account kind of things, and I saw this guy say his Telegram is Young Tane, and then I realized like, oh my gosh, I'm probably DMing them is not the way to go. So I got this guy, I messaged him on Telegram saying, hey, I'm at an e-commerce store, and I'm really hoping he can respond and do it for like kind of any price. I'm like really desperate. I know it's like a really short time frame of like when I need this, so I got a response from Young Tane, and the news is not really that good. So pretty much he owns 2 separate accounts that both have over like 1 million followers. One is Couples Notes, and then the other one is Couples Habit. So I said, would that be with a link in bio? And then he responded with, I got the link in bio today. And then I said, for both accounts, and it says, will the other link in bio go away within 5 hours, or will it be all day? All day, sorry. Tomorrow we can post. Which that is kind of bad news since the challenge technically ends in 6 hours and 6 minutes, so I'm kind of screwed. I kind of need to either cheat in the challenge or offer to pay extra, which I don't really want to do since it's already so much money. Okay, so instead of being stupid and like paying extra for this, I'm just gonna kind of pause the challenge for now, and then I can come back tomorrow morning, and then we could like look at the results and look at the post and see how the post is doing. And I was very tempted to just kind of lie to you guys and then just go tomorrow and then be like, oh look, it's been 24 hours. But I want to be like transparent with you guys, and so I am kind of cheating in this challenge. Please don't hate me. Hope you guys understand. Okay, so the ad's gonna be here really soon. I sent him $235 for a 6-hour post on the 8 million page, and I'll update you guys when he posts.
One eternity later.
So as you can see, he just posted it right here, and I have my dashboard like up so I can see how it does. It is now the morning, the post was up all night long, and here's how the post did. So as you can see, the post got 18,000 views, which isn't that bad, I guess. But if you scroll through his Instagram page, you'll see that every single post he has gets like 1 million views or more. So I think he did something to like decrease the amount of views I got, or I don't know, just didn't do hashtags. I don't know what exactly he didn't do. But my post really didn't do that good at all compared to his other posts. So I was kind of scammed. I'm not sure what happened, but all I know is that I was hoping I'd at least get like 500,000 views, and I only ended up getting 18,000. But now let's go into the dashboard and see what happened. So as you can see, we got 224 online visitors. We had 1 sale of $24.95, and we had 9 add to carts, which honestly is pretty good. If more people were to actually finish a purchase, this could have been at least somewhat worth it. So the main thing I learned from this is to not even try doing Instagram posts, because at least it didn't work for me, and at least don't do it from Young Tane if you're gonna do it from anybody. I think you could definitely do this if you get a really good product and a really good ad, but if you're trying to test a product, definitely don't do this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button. It helps me a lot. Peace.